So, came to a point na yung friend ko, actually si Ian, he was the one who kept inviting me to go into a personal mastery workshop. And I got my first discovery or took my first discovery back in January of 2025. And from there, nag-cascade na lang rin talaga yung growth ko because I got clear on a lot of things that I want to do as well. It gave me some clarity on what was missing in my life or where I was failing and how can I improve on it. So from there, January of 2025, I took my personal mastery course or workshop, and then I got clear on what I needed to do. And from there, nag-cascade na lang yung mga benefits, mga opportunities na nangyari because I was able to go ahead and, meet more people, gain new skills, and then yung mga lack ko, yung mga insecurities in a way, mga bagay na gusto kong improve on, I was able to practice it as well. Because I knew na ito yung kailangan ko, ito yung gusto kong mangyari, and ito yung mga taong kailangan kong or need ko or pwede kong lapitan para ma-improve ko yung mga kailangan kong gawin. 'Di ba?